This autonomous drone is developed by Anduril Industries and utilizes a turbofan engine. Its functionality involves drawing in air through a single intake ramp positioned at the front. Meanwhile, the fuel is sprayed into a specific segment of the jet pipe, aiding in combustion, thereby producing thrust. These drones serve as the F-35 fifth-generation jet and pilots extended wingmen, providing crucial information and intervening to neutralize threats as shown in the animation. So stay tuned and don't miss a beat. What's so special about this drone for the US military? Fury represents the future of drone warfare as it operates without the need for a pilot, unlike drones such as the MQ9 Reaper that require a significant number of personnel solely for surveillance and bombing missions. The Fury drones are specifically designed to replace fighter pilots. Yes, that's right, they were designed to act as wingmen using Anduril's artificial intelligence software called Lattice Solutions. In short, they can be used for surveillance, bombing missions, and attack drones. Constructed mainly from carbon fiber and powered by a single 4,000-pound thrust-class turbofan engine, this formidable machine boasts capabilities that enable it to reach altitudes of up to 50,000 feet and achieve transonic speeds of around Mach 0.95. With dimensions of approximately 20 feet in length and a wingspan of 17 feet, this drone starkly contrasts with an F-16 fighter jet, offering a clearer comparison and represent a slightly smaller frame or target for the enemy's radar. Let's delve into how this system operates. Step 1. The command and control center utilizes the Lattice software, much like the one displayed here. This software was meticulously crafted to activate the drone swiftly with a single press of a button, enabling it to autonomously take flight and locate its designated target. Step 2. For the drone to operate seamlessly, it requires a runway for takeoff and retracts its landing gear, a process vividly demonstrated in this animation, and hides the landing gear to maintain an aerodynamic frame. Step 3. As stated, it uses a turbofan engine, so air is drawn in through a single intake ramp located at the front, while fuel is sprayed into a specific segment of the jet pipe positioned just behind the sensors. Here, the fuel blends with the exhaust gas and ignites, initiating a secondary stage of combustion, thus giving it an astonishing speed of Mach 0.95. Step 4. As previously stated, this drone assumes the role of a wingman, illustrated in these animations. A solitary F-35 pilot possesses the ability to command multiple Fury drones, effectively functioning as an entire squadron. These drones serve as the pilot's extended senses, providing crucial information and intervening to neutralize threats when necessary. This marks the initial phase of the Anduril Industries drone system. This is our first-part mini-series regarding modern technology, so do subscribe and like to help us produce more engineering videos like these.